Welcome to the game where the puppets all play. Shadows in the back, pulling strings every day. Truths getting buried while the lies hit the screen. Cameras flash bright, but the truth's unseen. They smile for the vote, shake hands in the streets, but behind closed doors, man, the talk gets deep. Suit and tie killers, pockets getting fat while the people still struggle. They ain't got jack. Whispers in the dark, secrets in the air. Power in the hands of those who don't care. Money by silence, justice got a fee. In the land of the free, but we ain't really free. Deals in the night, ink dry on the page. Promise you the world, now you locked in a cage. They playing both sides, left, right, same game. You call it democracy, I call it a shame. They sell you the dream, keep you blind to the facts. Make you pick a side, but it's all an act. Divide and control, that's the oldest trick. Keep the people fighting, make the power stick. Whispers in the dark, secrets in the air. Power in the hands of those who don't care. Money by silence, justice got a fee. In the land of the free, but we ain't really free. Numbers on the ballot don't mean a damn thing when the kings and the queens still run the whole ring. Lobbyists by laws, justice ain't blind. Looking for the truth, man, you wasting your time. We the people, yeah, we stronger than the lies, but they keep us distracted with the smoke in our eyes. Turn off the TV, break out of the chains. Stand up together, make them feel the flames. They fear the day when the people awake, when we rise from the slumber and see what's at stake. So keep asking questions, never be still. Change don't come till we bend their will. Whispers in the dark, secrets in the air. Power in the hands of those who don't care. Money by silence, justice got a fee. In the land of the free, but we ain't really free. Dirty politics, man, the game is deep, but the voice of the people ain't meant to sleep. Truth's out there, gotta open your mind. The revolution's coming, just give it some time.